In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Todoist with Notion. By the end, you'll have your Todoist tasks showing up right inside Notion in a live interactive view so you can plan and execute without juggling tabs. First, open Todoist and navigate to the specific project or view you want to share. This could be a single project, your today or upcoming view, or even a custom filter if that's how you like to organize. The key is to land on the exact screen that represents what you want to see in Notion. What you are looking at in Todoist is what you'll embed. So make sure it's the right slice of your work. Next, copy the URL from your browser's address bar. That link is the magic ingredient that Notion will use to pull in your tasks. If you are in a browser, it's the full address at the top of the window. Copy it exactly as is. It includes everything Notion needs to render the same content you are viewing in Todoist. Now, open your Notion page where you want the tasks to appear. This could be a dashboard, a team hub, or a personal planning page anywhere you want a live window into your to-dos. Place your cursor in the spot on the page where the embed should live so it becomes part of your layout in a logical way. Type /embed and paste the Todoist URL you copied. Notion will recognize the link and prepare an embedded block for you. After you confirm, it will load a window that mirrors your Todoist view. If Notion takes a moment to load, just give it a second once the connection is made. It will display your tasks as an embedded frame right inside your page. This creates an interactive, live, and editable Todoist window. You can scroll through tasks, check items off as you complete them, and keep an eye on due dates without leaving Notion. Changes made here reflect in Todoist, and updates from Todoist flow back into the embed. So everything stays in sync. Keep in mind that your access in Notion mirrors your access in Todoist. If a project is private or restricted there, the embed will respect those permissions. If your network is offline, the embed may not load, but it will come right back when you are connected again. That's all it takes to bring Todoist directly into your Notion workspace. Open the right view, copy the URL, embed it in Notion, and enjoy a seamless, real-time task board where you need it most. Thanks for watching.